Good evening. Peaceful demonstrators outside the courthouse weren't enough to silence the disturbing details revealed today in the death of Joe Clyde Daniels.
Tonight, we're learning more about what happened the night the 5-year-old disappeared. News Channel 5's Matthew Torres was at the court hearing for his parents, accused of playing a role in his death. Matthew.
Vicky, despite countless searches, the body still has not been found. TBI says the boy's father, Joseph, lied about the whereabouts of his remains several times because he apparently didn't want people to see what he did. All prosecutors have right now are the confession, which the defense argues is false, and the blood found that so far is awaiting results.
I beat him some more. That's when I killed baby Joe.
TBI agent Joey Boyd read out loud Joseph Daniels' confession to what he did after his eldest son woke him up, saying baby Joe urinated on the floor.
Baby Joe started laughing, so I beat him. That's when he ran out the front door. Baby Joe ran to the road. I saw a car drive by, and then I ran out and got him back in the house.
Officials say he beat his son outside before beating him for 5 to 10 more minutes inside the house until he died. The mother, Crystal Daniels, was also in court and reported hearing a, quote, painful scream.
That it suddenly just stopped, and it was silence. She came out of her room, saw Joe Clyde on the ground, motionless, not moving, and Joseph standing over him with his fists clenched.
But instead of reporting to police, Boyd says Crystal went back to sleep, later telling a lie. Her defense argues she never tried to stop her husband because she was afraid of him.
She said that Mr. Daniels, Joseph Daniels, did take a swing at her. He didn't hit her, and told her that if she told anybody that he would kill her.
Investigators collected several evidence, including a shirt he wore the day of his arrest that said Super Dad. They found unidentified blood on the clothes and the console of his car, but no blood inside the house. The defense stressed lack of physical evidence. If in fact the boy was brutally beaten, there should be signs of that inside the house.
What is the physical evidence other than unidentified blood that shows that he was killed? Physical evidence, not statements. Physical evidence. What is it?
Unfortunately, it's his body, and we have not found that yet.
So other than his body, there's not any?
No, sir.
The judge also denied the request to reduce Crystal's bond amount from $1 million to $50,000. Her public defender argued there's not enough proof supporting her charge of child abuse or endangerment since she never laid hands on the son. However, the judge ruled both her and her husband's cases are now heading to the grand jury. Rory?
Matthew.